everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. Today I've got the box by Fashionsta to open. I think this is June, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so let me start opening this box. I need a pair of scissors and I thought I had a pair, there. Right there. So Fashionsta makes this skincare and makeup box and it is $24.99 a month and you get 5 full-size products. So let me show you the inside of the box and I'm going to show you what I really love about them. Okay. Everybody see? Yeah, it's full. This little card that we get has all of the items, so nice and neat, clean, easy to read. Love, love, love it. So, let me get my glasses on. There they are. And we will start looking at what I got. So hopefully you guys are excited about this box too. I've loved this box. This is one of my favorite boxes now. So I'm going to just pull back some of the little decorations that are in your box and tissue paper. And we're going to see what I got. So let's pull out the first item, guys. And it is this. And just to let you guys know, those of you that are new and don't know me yet, I am blind. So I am what they call legally blind. I see nothing out of my left eye and I see only a tiny bit out of my right. And I kind of got to look around. So if I don't look like I'm looking at the screen, I really am. That is where I'm able to see today. So you'll see as I go on, this channel is all about my life. So let's see what I got first. So I have a machine over here, guys. That's why you're seeing me over here. I have a machine over here that I can put things underneath and it makes it bigger on the screen for me. Let's take it out and look at it. I haven't found it yet, but we're gonna take it out and look at it. Oh, wow. It's like a light green. Can you see the color? And it's definitely a serum. Okay, I found it. Finally, huh? So the description, and please be patient with me as it takes me a little bit to read because I can barely see the letters. But it says it is made by Earth Harbor. It is the Aurora Superfood Luminescence, and then it says Ampoli. It helps to energize and smooth skin. Okay, so this is cruelty-free, which is great. And I don't think they give us, let me see, I don't think they give us pricing on these items. I wish they did, but no, they don't. So it is also vegan and cruelty-free. So this is a serum. Let's open it and try. Because you know I'm going to open all these serums. I use them all the time. I give them away, I take them. Okay, so it's kind of running down my hand. So, oh, it smells wonderful, guys. It's very light, but it smells good. It's not like floral. It's got that little bit of an aromatherapy scent, but not really at the same time. So that's a wonderful item I would like to use because the skin, especially in the summer, you're always out in the sun, you're doing stuff and the sun drenches your face. It needs nourishment and needs a little bit of glow to it. So definitely gonna use that. Let's see what else I got. Here's the next item. So if I have it upside down, I am totally sorry because I can't see the letters to know. So we're gonna see what's inside though. Okay, it's a pump bottle. And it's clear, but it feels like glass with a spray on the top. see what this says. You know, I grew up in the high desert of California. So all we see was cactus, you know what I mean? I could see more when I was younger. Gypsy Soul Organics. And it says cactus flower. It says a refreshing and hydrating formula that purifies, detoxifies, and tones your skin. So this is for your skin. It doesn't say just for your face. Keep skin hydrated. So it's also vegan and cruelty free. So there is that one. You know, guys, if I didn't start doing subscription boxes, I would have never known what else was out there. So think of this. I'm a blind person. I can only see right to here, you know, in front of me. Like, I can't even see the camera that I'm filming with, so I always just try to keep myself in the middle. My eyes might not be looking like I am. I'll put myself up a little bit. There we go. I forgot I put mine down. So I'm looking at you though, and this is how I love to shop, and I love it. I love, love, love it. Okay, let's see what this next item is. There's the item. So next item is also in a little white box, is a replenishing body serum. So the last one must have been for face, because I don't remember it saying. Marine algae and blue yarrow, Y-A-R-R-O. And this is 2 fluid ounces. This is full size. Boy, I'm getting lots of serums today. So that's what it looks like, guys. It's in a glass bottle with a topper. So we're gonna just kind of put that on there. It's like, it's a little thicker than water, guys, but it's gonna run down my hand. Here, see it? That feels good too. It feels like a light oil, but it definitely has an aromatherapy smell to it. And you know, I eat a lot of stuff that's clean, and I'm very careful about what I eat because I have celiac disease. And going into like Whole Foods, when you walk in and you smell all of those aromatherapy type smells, that's what this one smells like. I mean, it's great. If it's working, I'm gonna use it definitely. Oh, it looks like we got a palette, guys. So let me show you the palette before I open it. Love getting palettes. Okay, this is the Catherine Natural Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And what does it say? It's also vegan and cruelty free. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so there's a little mirror and there's 6 neutral colors, which are the colors that I would use because I love that kind of things. Let me pull that up to you guys. Hopefully you can see all those beautiful colors. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So that is definitely a palette that I will take with me when I travel. I like that a lot. Looks like I got 2 more items in here. Okay, this one is in like a tiny little mason jar. It's like glass with the metal lid on it. Okay, guys, this is called a sugar wax. So it says Nutra from Nature. So that's the company, Nutra from Nature. It said it is a 2-ounce sugar wax, and it does say $10. Perfect hair removal solution for sensitive skin and all hair types. It's vegan and cruelty free. So it is some type of salt wax for shaving, I guess. That's what I would say, right? So let's see. Well, it's green inside. I think that's green unless that's black. Ooh, yeah, it's gooey. I just put it on my finger and it is totally gooey, like hard gooey. Let's see if I can. It's on my middle finger. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a gooey green goop. So I guess that's some type of wax to use when you're shaving. So we will try that. Now my hands are like stuck to everything. Okay, I have one more thing, which is this way. And I think this is the lipstick. Let's see. Please don't be red. Nope. That looks like a pretty color. So let's see what it says here. This is Ola Neon. It says lipstick balm, $17 is the retail price on this. It is vegan and cruelty free. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, it's just a neutral color. I don't have a problem with neutrals. I mostly like pinks and neutral colors like this. Probably can't see it. I had a little bit of something else on earlier. So let's go back through real quick. So this was $17, which is the lipstick. The eyeshadow palette was $28. The sugar wax is $10. The body serum, let's see which one it is let me see, body serum, I just seen it, $26. Face toner is $30. Let's see which one is which here. Okay, this is the body scrub. This is the face toner. The illuminating serum is $32. So the prices are really good on the products that are in here. I know I feel like I'm kind of all over the place on this video. I don't feel like I was in the right spot all the time, you know what I'm saying, trying to figure out what is what. But did get 5. I will try this sugar wax. Never tried it before. Don't know how to exactly use it. I'm going to definitely keep this palette. I love the colors on that. Now the serums, we will see. And well, there's a body serum that could be good also. And the lipstick I really like. So that's it, guys. That was my whole box. So I don't think it was a bad box this time. I think it was a good box. A lot of stuff, though, that I don't know what it is. So I've just got to learn how to use it and how to do what I need to do to be able to use it every day. So that was a good box, guys. That's the box by Fashionista. So I just want to say thank you guys for coming and supporting me every time I make a video. I appreciate you subscribers. I appreciate that you click like for me because that really helps me. I seem to be stuck in this moment right now and I can't seem to get any further than I am. So I ask you guys to make sure you click the like button for me so that my video will go out to more people, or share my video. I would appreciate it. So if you are not subscribed, my name is Lori, as I told you earlier. This is my life. I am legally blind, and this is how I do my life. I do vlogs, I do subscription boxes, fashion, skincare reviews. I do travel, love to travel. We're going to start traveling again here soon. We did go to Mexico, and I think I have 3 videos out there on Mexico if you guys want to check those out. And hit the bell if you want to be notified when I put out videos. I try really hard to put out between 4 and 5 videos a week so that there is plenty of content out there. So I just want to say thank you guys again, and I hope you have a great day.